The RTR Lite battery is only 60 volts.
There's no way you're getting more than 15 miles out of that thing.
My Tudio gets way better range.
You can't keep up
Nah,
with Ride
you
Out.
should've got the normal
RTR.
Shut up! And stop talking shit on my boy.
Yes, his battery might be undersized compared to the standard RTR, but it ain't about the size of the dog in the fight. It's about the motion of the ocean. Did I get that right? Anyways, ETM RTR Lite. What is the actual range? Obviously, I don't know yet, and that's why I'm making this video. The battery is definitely small though, and Electro & Co claims 20 miles range out of this.
You sure about that?
I'm very interested to see if we actually get that. So I'm gonna test this thing just like every other range test, which means ride it how I normally ride it and see what actual realistic mileage is. Joining us today on this range test is an OG to the channel from many years ago, my buddy Brandon. His first e-bike, proper e-bike ride, so.
Yeah, we're hyped. Are you RTR? Because I am.
All right, guys, we're using the Map My Run app today to track this, so it'll track distance as well as time. So let's do this thing. All right, guys, and we are off on the RTR Lite. We got Brandon on the RTR, and we're just gonna ride this thing how we normally ride it to see what realistic range looks like. Ooh, look at the RTR. This thing looks so good. All right, so we're down to 89% already. We've gone almost 1.25 miles. One thing I'll say about the batteries on this thing, they absolutely lose battery on the top end way quicker. I don't know if it's just the display, how the volts are read, but they lose power up top fast, but then they sit in the mid-range a lot longer. Oh, we can wheelie the Lite. Ooh, it looks so good with the wheels too. And we've just gone 3 miles. What do you think so far?
Dude, this thing's nice, but suspension's a lot stiffer than I thought it was.
Are you ready to fly?
Ready to fly?
Yeah.
Sure.
Wow! Okay, hopping right from the RTR to this, it does feel a little torqueier. And that's because it's 3 kilowatts more. I don't want to retract my statements about the difference, but this definitely has more power. Looks so good, the bikes. I mean, both of them do. What do you think of it so far compared to this?
I mean, obviously it's less powerful. It's noticeable.
Because this has the torque motor too as well. So.
Yeah, and it feels so smooth though in terms of power delivery. I hope that wasn't poison ivy.
The biggest difference I notice hopping between the two as well is just that the supermotos make the bike so smooth, and these brakes are so good on this RTR. These are Formula E Moto brakes. Yeah, RTR Lite, keep it up, no problem. Here, give me my bike back. You can take my bike. Nice. Wow, I just needed seat time on the RTR Lite. But she wheelies in completely stock form. Indubitably. And we're at 6.63 miles, showing 62%. It's gonna be a little more than that. Yeah. You're looking real floppy there, bud. You need a blue chew, dude. Oh, we sent that. Sketchy.
Connor thinks he's a real motocross rider. Let's see a trick.
2,200 bucks, all this? Come on.
Pal, hop off Tinder. You ready to go hit the next jump? This goes like 45. They're quick. See me do a wheelie. Was that good enough for you? This is it's called the RTR Lite. It's 2200. That's the RTR. It's 3200. Yeah, yep. They're broken? Oh no. That's fun enough. All right, dude. Enjoy. See ya. Oh my gosh, we're starting to get wheelies on the Lite in completely stock form. So range check, we're at 8 miles. So much suspense, 54%. All right, ready? Let's go from the white line. 3. Yeah, you're ahead, bro. Come on. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, he can't handle the power. There's your difference. That tracks. Okay, how about a wheelie race now? It's the beauty of the e-bikes. If we were on 110s, dude, we already would have gotten a ton of complaints. Yeah. High five, Corn, high five. Just go into the creek, jump the creek. Oh, you think you got this gap?
I'd rather not fuck up your bike.
Look at this. That is not ridiculous. Just walk across. I didn't even put my feet in the water. Bro, not the freshie. What are you doing? You're getting her all dirty. You're not even covering the rear brake. Private property, no trespassing. Rats. Alright, we've gone just under 12. Displays showing 27. So I don't know that we're gonna make 20. I am 165 pounds. Alright, Brandon asked for more off-roading. Ask and you shall receive. But be careful what you wish for. It actually wheelies really well. Even with the stock tires and stock brakes, I'm surprised. All right, we made it to the trails. You want to take this one? All right, you lead the way, friend.
You know the trail.
I haven't been on this one yet. Yes, I have. Careful what you wish for, buddy. You having fun? You asked for the trails.
You lying, Jackie.
How was I lying? I told you we had trails. Oh yeah, this RTR Lite range test gets it all. No foot down. You sack of sh. Trials. Here's the fun part. Come on, go ahead.
No way.
This is what you asked for. You got to push it up now. This is the only way. I said at least yours doesn't have supermotos. Keep going. Did he turn around that little? He gave up on me. You're a baby.
Set me up.
Yeah, you asked for it. You said, I want to ride some trails. Trail riding takes it out of you, bud. So guys, just to show you the difference, we're at 35 on the Lite, 68 on the RTR, but that's because you're babying it too. Baby. Of course I knew that trail was like that. Guys, I retract all my statements. You don't need to change anything on this RTR Lite to wheelie it. I was just worming before. The wheelie's just fine. I still like better brakes and supermotos, but you could slow wheelie it too.
Your phone's gonna die before it gets to the end of the range test.
I know, my phone's at 3%. We've gone 14.6 miles and we're still at 18%. I'm impressed. So the 20-mile claim is damn near close. Oh no, is he injured?
Yeah, I think so. There's a couple of crows that have been swooping at him.
Oh no.
Oh, he's getting
I'm
bullied.
trying to guide him under my truck so that they don't. 3 or 4 other crows. I didn't have gloves on to pick him up to move him over. So
I guess I could.
I don't think they'll do anything. I just want to pick him up, put him under my truck just so.
So he's a little more protected?
And I don't think he can fly.
You're not gonna bite me, are you, buddy?
He's just trying to walk around to guide him.
Here you go, bud. Go on.
As long as you're out of the path of them birds, I can't dive bomb you.
Are his crow buddies are just screwing with him? Damn, they're just like, he's got a messed up wing. Screw him. Come on,
I
bud.
don't know what caused it or what happened.
I guess I could. I'm just a little.
Two-handed.
Come on, buddy.
Yeah, just grab him and then just put him right under. There you go.
Oh, shit. Sorry for the fall.
Well, at least they can't like literally dive bomb.
That's so messed up. They just come in and that's crazy.
I'm trying to keep you safe here, but I don't know what else to say.
Your wife's gonna come home, he's gonna be in the house with you. Well, good on you, man.
Sure.
You've done your good deed for the day, I guess. I know, dude. I'm like, what's going on here? All right, anyways, we're at 27%, coming up on 15 miles. I had some kid comment on my RTR video that his brother got the Lite and it only lasted 12 miles at a ride out. Either that kid's got to be really heavy or he had to be going like full throttle the entire time, because I don't see how you're only getting 12 miles, especially because the ride outs usually are pretty slow. Now we're killing battery. Whoa, whoa. 21% still and 16 miles. What the hell? Is this not the life, dude? If only we just had a nice brew. Do yourself a favor, get an RTR, get an RTR Lite, get both. Why not? Ride with your buddies. Get one of your buddies, get them on the bike. Bro, I have bad news. My phone died. Yo, we should track the rest on your phone. Yeah.
How you doing, sir? Good. How are you? Careful, dude. I'm trying to get a bunch of deals.
Are they?
I'm living my whole life. It fucking sucks. We never.
I haven't encountered him yet.
Good for you. Good for you.
Yeah, you too.
Be safe. Yeah, you too. Track kill.
All right, so my phone's dead. Brandon's tracking the mileage now. Range is doing just freaking fine on this thing. Comment down below if Brandon should get an e-bike. I've been telling him. Then he'll learn how to wheelie. I'm actively trying to kill this battery right now. These sound so gnarly, dude. But I'm still cruising at 45, even at down to 18. And we've gone 2 miles already. So that's already 18 miles then, and that's still at 18%. 18 and 18. Would you look at that? Yeah, I do notice more torque in this right off the bat. All right, I think that's gonna do it here shortly for the RTR Lite range test. Woo, 5%, right as we get back. All right, let's pull her into the garage and see what we got. All right, guys, so we are back from the range test. We have my phone, which has just now been brought back to life. We're looking at 16.16 miles in an hour and a half. And we have Brandon's phone. Can't even see it because of his privacy screen. Who the hell knows what he's trying to hide? But it's 4.1 miles. So all in all, we're looking at 20.26 miles, which is exactly what Electron Co claims on their website. Most times you see companies claim way higher mileage than the bike ever gets. Electron Co is always super conservative with this. And I'm a 165-pound dude. How much do you weigh? Big boy's 170. So we have two grown-ass adults riding this RTR Lite, and it's still got over 20 miles range. And the bike itself now is still at 11%. So down to 11%, 20 miles range. To the kid that got 12 miles at a ride out, I don't know, but you're doing something wrong, pal.
We weren't babying these things either. We were ripping them the whole time pretty much. So it's fun. Like once you get used to it, it's light, powered, it's right there. It's a great time.
Are you gonna get one?
We'll see. Maybe you'll give me one.
Dude, he's just like every other kid in my DMs. Can I have a free e-bike? But as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to buy either of these RTRs. Can't go wrong with either one. You still get great range out of the Lite, and it gets you into the scene for a lot cheaper at $2,200. $2,089, I think, with code ConnorG. But as always, road to 100K. Please sub if you're not. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys very, very soon. Peace.
Ready to rip. Stay ready to rip. Rip and ride soon.
Ready to rip. All right, peace, y'all.